The Lok Sabha today took up the Women's Reservation Bill for consideration and passing. Rajya Sabha today took up a discussion on India's glorious space journey marked by the successful soft landing of Chandrayaan-3. President Draupadi Murmu greeted citizens on the festival of Nuakhai. In her greetings, the President wished for the prosperity of the country and its people. Prime Minister Narendra Modi joined the WhatsApp channel on Tuesday. He also shared the channel's link to join it. The 13th Indo-Pacific Army's Chief Conference, or the IPAC, will be held from 26th to the 27th of this month at Manekshaw Center in New Delhi.